Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So before I get into this video guys, I do want to point out that I know I have been going for a couple weeks now, and that's because I've been a little bit stressed out, but I'm back, and I'm back with more videos. So I do thank all my faithful watchers, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because you won't miss out. But like I said, let's get into this video. As you can see, I have my curls in my hair, my bouncy curls. So what I did to my hair this time, I tried the twist out with the perm rods at the ends of my hair, and I have attempted this style before. If you have been keeping up my videos, you have seen that I did the braid out with the perm rods, but this time I did the twist out with the perm rods at the ends, and that video and that hairstyle was that epic fail. So basically I wanted to try this style again because, as you guys know, I do like to attempt new styles in my hair, and I was so upset how my hair came out that time, so I did it again, and I really love how it came out guys. So also I tried a new product on my hair, and it's the Miel product, and I love how this product is. Like, at first I was a little skeptical because it's a little thick, and I do not like thick products if you do know me, but it worked really good with my hair, and it didn't have build-up product. It wasn't white looking like some products are, but I really love how my hair looks. It's like really bouncy. It's really bouncy. But let's get into this video, and basically I'll show you exactly how I got my hair to look bouncy like this. Stay Okay, so I'm finally finished with my hair. As you may know, I have attempted this style before, so this is basically what I have. So hopefully it comes out way better than it did my first attempt trying this. So